Hello everyone and hello friend. Good evening. So now I'm in front of my room, and so everyone now usually now after prayer Isa and after all student reading the amalan, so I'm teaching. But because I'm not I'm done make video, so uh, I'm changer teaching in my class by Amir from class Tahasus. So now I wanna make the vlog now, and after I make the vlog, so I'm enter to my class, and I'm teaching guys. But before I'm teaching, I wanna make the vlog, and now I'm changing by Amir guys, and this Amir and Amir student smart, and it's okay, I'm changing in 15 minutes, so until after uh, my vlog complete guys. Sad Larya, hah? Oh, ini kan wah. Hah? So everyone, my teacher, the K is gone. So my teacher borrow my K motorcycle for off engine uh, engine he motorcycle him guys. So everyone, this is my K motorcycle, and this is K from brand Yamaha, and my motorcycle is MX King CC 150.
Dagang ano nandan lagu elap ayo lu kementerian lu tamak doang tuh.
Tama karak ini?
Kami nato anu di mana nak tuh? Kami nato apa dah?
Penakakan.
Untuk mau datang itu motor. Ini dia. Mereka kan punya mati itu panggil kan tak.
Ini. Ini.
Ini tempat ini 200 nanya aja pertama biasa. Ya, 4 literan.
Ada sama itu nah.
Iya. Iksan nundang mai dengan kadu sebenarnya. Irit Pak balik iksan. Baru san tadi. Iksan ukuran 70-80 mai seminggu. Apapun kantong malam mampu. Dia tidak semuanya. Yang ke satu saya minta itu. 2 kali full doang. Ini saya lamun untuk plus dini ya. Macet saya lulu ngabis loh.
Okay guys, my ustad tell me story to me. Tell the story to me. He entered to Pertamina for buy BBM. So he buy BBM 50 or 5 liter. Oh, not. He buy Pertamax. So Pertamax in Pertamina price is YP na na. Oh, YPMA. Oh,
Tahu.
passport na sida. Wala nyambung. Hindi.
Dulu.
Passport aja dulu. Ngerekam video nih, Sat. Matiin lah kayak pindah juga anu. Scan kode. Oh, merah passport, Sat.
Intinya
Hmm.
itu di satu dan itu. Dalam ini
Amir. Kasus masih ganti jus Sunda. Ayo memindai.
Ya Allah ya Rabbi beri kebahagiaan. Ya Allah ya Rabbi beri keselamatan untuk guru dan santri-santrinya, untuk pengikut dan pencinta.
So everyone, my ustad buy Pertamax in Pertamina, and price Pertamax is 20 and 300 rupiah, guys. So he buy Pertamax in Pertamina, price 50, and he tell me he like use motorcycle fiction, not Shogun, because Shogun is lot of BBM. Not fiction you can full tank BBM, you can use until 1 week, guys. He opinion him, guys. I'm sorry. Jamaahnya. So everyone, now my vlog until 9 minutes. So maybe 6 minutes, a few 6 minutes, my vlog it's complete, and so I'm upload to my channel. And maybe if you watch my video, I hope all of you like and subscribe, guys. And if you subscribe my channel and like my video, I hope all of you as well. And it's okay in every day, not sick, and me and all of you always in word Allah Subhanahu wa Taala. So everyone, usually now I'm teaching about prayer and this materi dasar, materi early materi for junior high school in class 1. So after I'm share my vlog, I'm I wanna charge my phone because now my battery my phone is 15% and percent. So now I wanna charge my phone. Why I'm charge my phone? Because after I'm teaching, usually I'm scrolling my phone, scrolling TikTok and WhatsApp and other guys. And usually my friend invite me to playing game, but so I'm done. Uh, I'm cannot playing game. I don't respond invite guys. But if my friend nothing friend for playing game, I'm join guys because my heart not not good because he my friend. Maybe if he done my friend, I don't join to playing game. So everyone, maybe now after I'm teaching, I wanna working my assignment because in tomorrow I have assignment from my lecture, Mr. Bayu Islam Asasaki, and maybe now after I'm teaching, I wanna writing for my assignment and uh, maybe now after I make the vlog I wanna teaching because now I'm changer by Amir, and this is my obligation for teaching. So because class tahasus nothing teacher, so I'm I'm help to Amir to changer my class, changer me in my class, guys. So in tomorrow I wanna go to shop because in afternoon I don't go to Masbage because the weather not good because the weather turn rain. So I don't I cannot go to Masbage for buying soap and other facial wash and other guys. Just comment from Ustazah uh, for sale in school guys. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. So now I wanna charge my phone, and thank you so much and see you next time. Okay, wassalam. Oh, I don't speak salam in early my vlog. I'm sorry guys. Okay, bye bye.